This is gonna be Pokey. I think I'm saying that right. Could be saying it. Let me go check. Definitely not Pokey. This is gonna be a Magikarp. This is a special request that I'm doing for a fellow YouTuber. His name is Strive to Survive. He pretty much does videos of him living in his truck. I thought it was pretty cool. I've been watching him for a very long time. And we've been emailing back and forth, and I said, hey, I'll build him for you. So I'm building him the Pokey lure. Not Pokey lure. I don't know why I keep thinking Pokey. I'm building him the Magikarp. Could be completely obliterating how that's said, but we're building it for him. And he's gonna take it over to his channel, and he's gonna do a fishing video with it. So I think that'll be pretty cool. Never built anything kind of like this before, but that's what we're doing. So anyways, I got him shaped. Got him to where he needs to be. My bandsaw, as you can see, we ain't got no blade. It snapped on me, so now I'm waiting for some new blades to come in. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this guy. See how here it is so far. We've got to put the lead in him, but I want to seal him up first and then I'll get the lead in him. I'm trying to figure out the hook placement on this guy because it's a different shape and all of these coming off of it and everything. I know I'm gonna put a hook here. I kind of want to put a hook here, but I'm not sure if it'll interfere with the lip or not. So that's what we're gonna check. I managed to get a hole in the back of this, right in the center, and it goes all the way into here. So I'm gonna put a super long line tie back here. And I wanted the line tie back there because I didn't want one here and here. So I'm gonna put one back here, and I'm gonna put one kind of right in here. So guys, here he is with all his stuff on him. This isn't the normal type of design I'd go for in a lure, but hey, Strive to Survive specifically requested this one, so I'll build it, no problem. I got a nice deep lead hole, and I put a little one in the back just because this is balsa wood, and balsa is very, very buoyant. I put a lot of lead up here, but I'm afraid he might be down too much. So I put this in here just to kind of make it a little better. So we'll see. We're gonna get some lead in this guy. We'll get these coated and covered back up, and we'll get a paint job on this guy. And I'm thinking we'll be able to do a swim test. But yeah, let's do it. I just pulled this guy out of the water, and he's a crazy looking bait, and I've been debating if he would sit in the water right or not because I didn't actually test it in the water. Check this out. He sits perfectly. Go ahead and dunk him in, and you see the splash down. He goes down, and he sits perfect. Look at that. Look at that, dude. He's sitting up and down straight. We've got some of him down in there. We need to get the lip put in him, and then his little whisker thing's coming off the side, and then we can actually take him out and test him. But yeah, he's floating good, y'all. Real good. Guys, here he is, the big reveal. These guys are kind of doing what they want to do. I gotta train them to be in one position. It's just like a rubbery line of some sort. But yeah, this is how this guy's supposed to look. And the clear coat on this came out really, really well. What I'm really curious about is how he'll swim in the water. I'm hoping he'll dive down and wobble. Fingers crossed on that. Only time will tell, but yeah, I'm happy with it. He kind of looked goofy, but I think he looks good now, especially with the paint job on him. We know what we're going for, and I really, really hope Strive to Survive enjoys this. I don't know if he'll want to fish with it or not. This is like, I think, a one-in-a-kind piece. I don't think you can just go buy this as a fishing lure anywhere. So, you know, if he wants to fish with it, he can, but if he doesn't want to, that's fine. He ain't got to. But I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this dude down to the pond, and we're gonna do a swim test, and if we end up catching something with it, then we will. But I'm not gonna fish it real hard, only because I made it for him, and I don't wanna mess it up. But we will take it down there. We'll throw him out in the deep a little bit, reel him in, tune him up for him. Hopefully he swims good. If he doesn't swim good, that's gonna really suck. But I mean, I always get worried that these little fins are gonna mess with something. That's why I make them thinner. I try to make them as thin as I can. But yeah, there he is. There he is. I had to make the eyes myself because I couldn't find eyes like that to buy. So I just took a regular eye, painted it white, put a black dot on it. That's how the picture was, so that's what I went with. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the pond. Well guys, there we have it for the Magikarp lure build. He's like a wake bait. He really shimmies side to side. Is he a practical fishing lure? No. But is he cool? Yeah, he's pretty cool. But he's a giant, man. And look at that lip. I had to put a big lip on him to make him actually do something and have some action. But no, I really hope Strive to Survive likes it. Hope he enjoys them. Wouldn't recommend really taking him out fishing. Because this is, I don't know if a fish would bite that or not. Fish will pretty much eat anything if it looks appetizing to them. So, you know, Strive to Survive, I hope you enjoy this lure. He's got a great action to him. Don't fish him in a river or anything because you'll lose him if he gets stuck on a log or anything, man. I just lost the lure at the pond. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this build video, and I'll see you in the next one.